Hello everybody, how are you doing? I hope you guys doing great by the grace of Almighty Allah. So today basically welcome to my another video. You can see we are together for hangout. It's the new places. We're here. My company is three company. You can see this is behind me, and we are here for hangout this and visiting this place actually. So basically, you know that whenever we go any like places area that help us to for enjoyment and getting energy. That's why I'm saying that. Okay, by the way, you can see behind my three mates, and they are here basically. Today is we are here for on motive. It is the motive, the political motive. That's why lot of people they are gathered. Still you are the same listening some noise actually behind me, the band music. So it's you guys are listening. So for this reason we are here. So by the way, so at this moment I thought that I should make video. So that's why I'm in front of you. By the way, so you can see by the way, totally amazing places. That really cool places, the mind blowing places. So and behind me, this is the building of the natural thing, the future of natural. So now we should stop this video because